Good morning, everybody. Some of you may have come across this, others may not, but I thought I'd make a small little video about this. So, not too long ago, my car started alarming that the keycard battery was low. And it sort of made me realize I think I've made somewhat of a video, or it was included in one of the videos about how to actually get into your car and start your car without a working keycard. Now, to give you an example on how to do it is, you're going to have to excuse the state of my car because I'm an incredibly bad car owner. So at some stage you will see that my car is incredibly dirty, but you know, please forgive me. So basically, in order to prove the concept, I've actually taken the battery out of one of my keycards. So the keyless entry doesn't work. Nothing works on this card whatsoever. So it doesn't detect it, and but you can still get into your Zoe and start your Zoe and drive your Zoe, even though your keyless entry is completely gone. So what you do is, in order to get into the car, I'm going to have to go out of the car in order to show you. Obviously I can't lock the car because, you know, the key card isn't working, but I'll show you how to get in. Basically, every single key card, including this one, has a mechanical key. It is inside the top. Don't know if you can see it. So basically this bit comes off by pressing the grey button on the side. So when you press that grey button, this top bit comes out, and lo and behold, there is a mechanical key. Can I do this with one hand? I can't. Here's a mechanical key. And the mechanical key is completely useless without a lock. I have a right-hand drive Zoe. So you'd think that this particular mechanical lock would be on this side. You'd be wrong. I'll show you where it is. Follow me, please. Okay, so there it is. That is your lock. Yes, it's on the passenger side, so it's a simple matter of sticking that in, turning it, and there you go, turning it, and that should open the door. Ta-da! So you are now in the car. So now that you're in the car and you've wrestled your way to the driver's seat, yeah, I have to keep in mind that this camera has face track. So now that you're in your driver's seat, when you actually press the brake and you press the start button, this is what happens. Please insert keycard. Where are we going to insert it? We are going to insert it right there. You can hear the noise. Now I can press, well, of course, after I unplug my thing. I really should plan these things better. But now you can start your car. Of course, when you start your car, you are going to make sure that your car isn't actually plugged in. So I hope you enjoyed this badly filmed little video on how to start your Zoe without keyless entry.